I didn't like my outfit, so we were trying something new. I'm supposed to leave for school in 1 minute. Like literally 1 minute. I have an 8:30. I'm going as fast as I possibly can. I wanted to put on some makeup. I don't know if that's in the cards. Oh, let's go to school. So I have 8:30s on Wednesday, a conference, which I'm always rushing for. Supposed to meet Gaspar to walk to campus with, but I was too late, so he like already left. I am speed walking. It's like 8:15 or 8:20. Not good. He's here. I'm just kidding. He didn't leave without me. We're running late today.
A little bit.
Your hair looks very nice.
It's the same.
Yeah, it looks good. Our speed walking was actually lightly effective. We're not too late anymore. I'm going to a poli-sci conference, and Gaspar is also going to a poli-sci conference?
Yeah.
Huh. And then after that we have art history together. Isn't that so nice? It's actually a gorgeous day outside. It's like early mid-November, but it's supposed to be up to, okay, it's early November. It's supposed to be up to 20 degrees today, so very... What? What?
It's early October.
Oh yeah, it's October, sorry.
Les regards, c'est la grande arme de la coquetterie vertueuse. Parce qu'on peut tout dire avec un regard. Et puis après, on peut toujours nier ce regard-là.
Jeter les filets d'amour.
How's the Sammy? Just finished class. We're gonna head over to, trying to find decent lighting, but it's just super, super bright. We're gonna head over to McLennan after this. Both of us have quite a bit of work to do. Just saw Sage and Matthias and Dever, so that was fun. I'm so excited to spend the next 4 hours studying here. Lighting is shit, but I'm on my way to go get coffee with a friend.
What's the vlog?
A couple days.
Fun vlog.
Yeah,
Welcome to the jungle.
grinding.
I kind of need to go
Grinded by the night, grinding tonight. That's what we're doing because we are far behind.
Ooh. Hey guys, just got back from school. Long day today. Got an arepa from Arepa, which is like my favorite thing in the whole world. I wanted to get a hot dog today from the hot dog guy, but they were also out of vegan hot dogs, so I have literally not eaten anything yet today, and it's 6 o'clock. So I've had some like tea, but I actually finished an assignment today. I had like a short little paper type thing due for my INTD class, which is like an anthropology type of course, and I actually just sat down and wrote like a full 3-page little short paper thing in like couple hours. Like I just really busted it out, was very proud of myself. Gonna turn that in tonight, and like that was my big assignment that I wanted to get done today, which is so lovely. I'm gonna go to Emily's dance class. She's teaching a dance class for RDC, which is like a recreational dance thing on campus. Teaching that in about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go to that and then start studying for my midterm on Friday. I guess we haven't really caught up properly in a bit. Today was a busy day. School year is in full swing. Early October, midterms are kind of starting. I had my assignment due today, midterm on Friday. Next week is a week off for Thanksgiving break. Sorry about the noise. I'm just sitting outside on my balcony enjoying the weather because it's been so nice lately. I've been tired today because I had an 8:30 conference, but it's been a good day. Kind of optimistic. I think my midterm is gonna be fine. I just need to like kind of spend all day tomorrow studying and hopefully like a good amount tonight as well. I'm gonna keep enjoying this delicious arrapera. It has plantains and beans and it's so good.
Oh. Sorry, I'm just so annoyed by this Amazon thing.
I really wish you were here.
I miss you too. I wish you were here. You'd love Eugene.
Yeah, I really would. I decided, yeah, I'm not going to apply to grad school. I want to give you your space there. On my way to Emily's dance class. It's about 7:15. Her dance class is at 7:30. I'm very excited. It should be really fun. It's going to be like an improv class. I'm like 5 minutes late. That's kind of been like the theme of the day. But I know if I speed walk, I'll be there lickety split. But I'm very excited. I've not danced in a couple weeks.
I'm not into it too though.
Back from dance class. It was really good. Gaspar came over to hang out, but I am like so incredibly dead. Like it's like 10:15 and I'm so tired. Today's just been such a long day, but I think we're gonna do a little bit of work. I kind of want a snack, but then bed. So see you all in the morning. Good morning. Oh god, I look really dead. I'm in one of those like perpetually tired states where like for the past week, no matter how much sleep I get, I'm exhausted. But I have class at 10 with Sarah, which is really fun. And then I have class like directly after at 11:30 with Matthias and Liv, my friend Alex. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. It's been so fun fourth year because I have a friend in like every single class. So it's super nice. And then I'm just gonna go to the library and study for my midterm literally all day. So let's put on a cuter outfit than what we have working with right now. Not that my Texas sweatpants aren't lovely, but I can do a bit better. Me and Sarah are off to class. Poly 352, African Foreign Policy. Great way to start the day. We're running like 1 minute late.
Yeah.
This is my friend Alex. We have class together. Actually, we had the first one together too, but we never sit by each other. True. But we have our next class together and we're just chilling in the sun for a bit before we start. What are you eating?
When you're up.
I'm gonna get some tea. I'm back at the farmer's market, shocker. This time with Gaspar.
You might just see it as a waste of time, hoping that you might understand, but you know I'll find my way back to the moments and we might just make it for another day, starting to think softly almost every night. I know that I'm stressing and waiting for a message. My head keeps spinning all of the time and it keeps on repeating progressively. I'm starting to close my eyes, wait until the sun's back again, even though it won't be any different.
Hey, I'm illuminated by the light of my laptop right now. I'm just studying in front of the Redpath Museum. I'll show you where I am. It's a pretty nice view. It's like right on the middle of campus, but I'm just trying to get this thing done and the weather is nice. I'm making like a study guide for my art history midterm tomorrow morning and I just kind of want to get it done, but I'm probably like halfway done. Yeah, I'm like exactly halfway done. So I have a lot more work to do and I've already been at it for like 3 hours, but I don't know. Midterm is tomorrow morning at 10. I think I'm gonna do fine. I'm gonna study with Gaspar tonight, but we're gonna like go home pretty soon, have a dinner break. It's 7 right now. Been on campus since 10.
You're vlogging, I'm not.
We're heading home. Gonna make some dinner and take a little break. We've both been on campus for several hours and the sun has fully set, so. We ate dinner and we have been midterm studying all evening. It's 10 o'clock. We still have a lot of work to do. Midterm is in 12 hours. It's now 1 a.m. I'm gonna go to bed and get ready for this exam. Ready for the midterm?
Oh my god. Nope.
Good morning, Matthias.
Good morning. You guys are gonna have such a fun day today.
Thanks, Matthias. I finished my midterm. I'm so excited to be done. You can't imagine how happy I feel. The last like 24 hours has just been so stressful and overwhelming and so much work. It went like fine. Could have gone better, but I think it went fine. Now I'm officially on like fall reading week. We have like 3 days off from school. We have like 4 days off from school and the whole weekend. I'm so excited. This has been like so needed. I have just been really overwhelmed with school. Like the school work-life balance is so hard for me sometimes, especially when it comes to like midterms and like papers and things like that, that I have just been neglecting like my plants. I haven't grocery shopped properly in probably like a month. I need to like cook some good meals for myself and stop like buying and eating out and things like that. And I'm just so excited to have this break to like really reset and like reflect and like focus on myself and like what I need. I'm just gonna like make myself a really nice lunch, like watch some TV and like chill out for a bit, reward myself for finishing that midterm, and then like clean up my room, etc, etc. I did just get 2 packages waiting for me when I came home, so that'd be fun to open those. They're from Amazon, which I'm not a supporter of in any way, shape, or form, but I needed white twinkle lights and all the hardware stores walking distance from me were sold out, and I just felt like Amazon was kind of my only option, so I used that opportunity to also get a couple of other things that I had been kind of looking at. But I really do always try and stay away because I just do not have ethical business practices. I got also a couple of things for Halloween. I'm not sure if that's gonna be this. Yes, okay, it is. So this is actually not what I thought it was. This I think is for Halloween. I wanted like something kind of pretty and like sexy to wear. I think I'm gonna be a fairy. So I got this like lingerie dress. It's like this really pretty sheer blue thing. I thought it'd be really cute to like be as a fairy, but it's like, yeah, I'm not sure how it's gonna be. I would try it on, but it's like fully just a lingerie dress, but I thought I could like wear, you know, something under it and it would be like a really cute little fairy costume. Because it's lingerie, it also comes with a G-string, so there's also that. And then this, one of these really should be, what is this? Oh Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so I got to wear with the fairy costume. I don't even know if I'm gonna be a fairy. I kind of just like needed something to like wear. I don't know. I don't really wear bras anymore. I don't like own any bras really anymore. But with this thing, you definitely kind of need a bra. So I got those like sticky boobs. I've never used these before. Okay, I'm like insanely intrigued. I'm gonna go try everything on. All right, this is the fairy dress with the sticky boobs on. It's like fully sheer. You can like see my underwear. I'm fully gonna wear something like underneath in that regard, but like it actually fits kind of nice. I don't know. I've never worn sticky boobs before and it's such a weird feeling. Oh my god. Here's the dress. Again, you can see my underwear. Just ignore that. I'm wearing like black underwear. But, like this would be kind of the vibe with some like little fairy wings. I think it could be cute. I don't know.
Hey, it's Gaspar for a short vlog takeover. I got Alena some flowers. Hope she likes them.
Sitting on my ass, staring at this TV screen. Nothing matters when you're lost inside a